In this video I'll show you a small mini review of the Google Pixel Pro 10, the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. This is the Google Pixel 10. This is actually Google Pixel 10, not the 10 Pro XL. But I wanted to have a look at them. I wanted to have a look at the Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and this is the 10 Pro XL. Google Pixel 10 Pro XL right here, and it really looks nice. The device quality, it's nice, and the way these cameras look like, it's really, I don't know, futuristic, from some kind of a space movie or something. It's nice. I like the cameras. It gives it a nice, interesting look, different than all the other camera alignments, camera sets that are available now. The only problem with the Google Pixel is kind of the processing power. I don't know why it's not so strong as the other ones. And I will show you one more thing now. The power button is above the volume buttons, and I was really surprised because I watched a few videos about Google Pixel 10 Pro XL. Nobody mentioned it. I guess it wasn't something unusual, but I got used to it after handling it a little bit. I have the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V, and that's great to see the interface. That's the original Android experience, not the Samsung experience or Xiaomi. This is how the actual Android looks like. This is the best part about the Pixel, the Google, I was going to say Sony. The Google Pixel 10 Pro XL has the best Android operating system at really any moment. As soon as a new version of Android is available, it's going to be on the Pixel first, and then other device manufacturers will have it, and they will get to it. So it's such a difficult thing to have a phone that is great. And yeah, the keyboard looks much better than on the Sony Xperia 1 Mark V. So if this phone had the camera possibilities, the camera options, especially for video, of the Sony Xperia or iPhone, that would be amazing. This phone I would buy it immediately. But there is something about it. When it's recording video, there is this kind of stutter, and I saw people talking about this. I didn't understand what they mean until I tried it myself. Here I was trying to set the language to English so you understand what's there. This is a Romanian shop, so you can't really understand much of what's written on the screen there. But you can tell the buttons, how the interface looks like. That's Android. This is the Android experience. And yeah, maybe in the next version of the Google Pixel. So yeah, that's the maximum resolution. The screen does look good. But if you look at it, probably you noticed it already, there are a few bands floating around on the screen. I don't know why. You see them, it's like that, it's just moving, these vertical refresh bands. And that's the Pixel 9 Pro XL, as you see there. This is EMAG, the shop in Bucharest in Romania. And yeah, I was recording here to show you what's happening and how the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL looks like compared to the Pixel 10. And this shop was the only shop that had it on display, so that was I'm really grateful that I was able to actually try the Pixel 10 Pro XL. That was really good. Here in Cyprus there are no shops that sell it, only on Amazon to be ordered, and then you decide if you want to return it. But I didn't want to buy the phone just to give it a try and then probably return it. I don't know. What do you think? Should I buy this phone, the Google 10 Pro XL? Or it's not a good phone? I like the edges. The edges have this really nice finish. And that's where the memory card goes. The SIM card. And I noticed a trend with the iPhone, especially now, and for Google Pixel also. There is no more SIM card tray. You only have eSIM. I really don't like that. I don't know what's up with that. Why would you want to have this? It's the physical SIM. It's always a good option. It's always a good option to have. And that's the Pixel Watch. The Pixel Watch 3, 41mm. I'm really basically reading the labels there. The watch looks nice, especially paired with the Google Pixel phone. But yeah, if you really want the Pixel, probably the Pixel 9 Pro XL or the Pixel 10, it's a great deal as it is, because the video coming out from the Pixel is not that great, and the photos are pretty good but comparable to other phones. Thanks for watching, I hope this helps you.